Welcome back to Lily Dolls. Today we are doing very easy, simple paper crafts. So go to my Substacks, grab the free printable, and craft along with me. Mel, this one's for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you had fun. See you soon and don't forget to subscribe.